mistrial declared on the remaining charge in the Harvey Weinstein sex crimes retrial. We're outside the courthouse with a dramatic end to the jury deliberations. Welcome to the New, and I'm Bianca Peters. This trial coming to a close just one day after a jury reached a partial verdict on the two other counts. Let's get right up to Fox 5's Hayley Fixler outside of the courthouse with more on how this unfolded in the courtroom just moments ago. Hayley.
Bianca, yeah, this news breaking within the past half hour. So this all happened because the jury foreperson said that he did not feel safe to continue deliberations with the jury. Now, yesterday, he told the court that he was getting threatened and feared for his safety. Now, this was very dramatic inside of the courtroom. I want to break it all down for you. So we know that the foreperson was actually separated from the rest of the jury after he expressed his concerns to the court. Now, the judge's proposal this morning was to bring him back to the court and ask if he would continue deliberations. He said if he said no, he would issue a mistrial on the count of the third-degree rape. The judge said if the foreperson said yes, though, he would bring in the rest of the jury and he would ask for further deliberation. Now, the defense attorney did ask for an immediate mistrial and said that it was the judge's duty to protect the jury. The prosecution, though, said the foreperson did not describe a legitimate threat. Now, again, this mistrial only pertains to the third-degree rape charge, and Fox 5 cameras actually just caught up with one of the jurors as he was leaving the courthouse. Take a listen.
So what happened in there? Why was so much drama?
I don't think it was as bad as it was reported.
No?
No.
But you said
All right, so the other two verdicts, the one not guilty for a criminal sex act and the one guilty for a criminal sex act against Mimi Hayley, those verdicts will stick. Now, we actually spoke with her and her lawyer this morning about the retrial. Take a listen to what she had to say.
I wasn't expecting to revisit it, and I just really didn't want to go back and relive and rehash and so forth. So I thought about it, and then finally I just felt that it was ultimately, you know, just even historically so important because it does have such a ripple effect, this particular case.
And again, because of this mistrial now, it does look like another alleged victim of Weinstein will have to testify again. So the judge, he did bring the jurors back in, and he explained that because the deliberations apparently became contentious, he was putting an end to it. However, he said that he spoke with the jury privately, and the judge says they were disappointed and did not see the deliberations in the same way. And he says they actually felt that this was a productive process. Now, right now, we do know that the state is planning to retry this rape charge. Live in Lower Manhattan, Bianca, back to you.
All right, Hayley, thank you for the update on that. Appreciate it.